It doesn't matter if everyone knows every vein of yours. Just don't let anyone know about the visible vein, or else every vein of yours will start to show. When you start enjoying the remembrance of Allah, know that you have developed love for Allah, and Allah has developed love for you. You can manage to live with people who are in a bad mood, but not with those who have bad upbringing. A strong person is not the one who doesn't cry, but the one whose tears fall, wipes them away, and prepares to face the world again. There's no difference between a hypocritical friend and a shadow. Both stay with you in the light but disappear in the dark. When you do good for someone, you receive good in return. It may take time, but it surely comes. And this is the law of nature. Every successful person has a painful story, and every painful story ends in success. So, learn to endure pain and prepare for success. In the intoxication of physical and financial strength, a person quickly forgets their limits. But when Allah loosens even one part of the body, all arrogance turns to dust. If you are alive, oppose wrong decisions. Stop being a yes man. Dead bodies float with the waves, not swimmers. Never grieve over your losses, because Allah does not take something away from you unless He replaces it with something better. Do not mock in times of distress or taunt in times of joy, as it destroys the love in relationships. If the things you once acquired no longer bring you peace, start giving them away in another time, and you will find great peace. Successful people do not live their lives based on assumptions and guesses. Instead, they create the best principles with wisdom and the advice of good people. Respect and a woman's honor cannot be taught by the highest degree. Only the upbringing of a home can teach it. The saddest person is the one who is the most ill-mannered among people.